The reason why I decided to teach yoik is because I actually feel that if more people understood what yoik was, then the world would be a better place. I truly believe that. It's because when you're understanding what the yoik is and when you experience yoik, then you will be connected. You will be connected to your surroundings, to nature. You will connect with your own nature, other people's nature, and that way you will feel more connected in general, and maybe you wouldn't be so eager to destroy our surroundings. So that's why I look at it as a blessing to be able to teach yoik to both Sami people and non-Sami people. Actually, the concept of yoiking is not unique for Sapmi. The concept of yoiking exists in a lot of cultures in the world, especially indigenous cultures. The concept where you can say that you are kind of channeling what you're going to express with your voice. So to be able to yoik something, you have to be able to feel the energy of what you're going to yoik. In order to do that, you need to be able to open up. You need to be able to connect. If you're not Sami, then I would see it as you coming to me and learning the concept of yoik so that you can connect with your nature wherever you are in your way. And in that case, you wouldn't sound particularly Sami, but you will know the concept of how to connect with your surroundings and yourself. So that is a very great gift, I feel. And always in the courses, I make sure that I explain very clearly how you can use the yoik without appropriating. So how you can do the yoiks with respect of the Sami people. Because if you're not Sami and you're wanting to learn to yoik, you have to be aware that there are Sami people who are against this. There are Sami people who don't like it at all if non-Sami people yoik. And this has to do with our history of the colonization and the yoik being prohibited. And I totally respect that, but at the same time I feel like it is important that non-Sami people also understand where we're coming from. Because when I learned the yoik, I learned so much about the Sami, the worldview. When you understand truly what the yoik is, then you will understand the way of thinking of the Sami people. You will understand why the land is so valuable to us, why we're always protecting our land and always wanting to preserve nature and our traditions. And if you want to learn more about yoik, there is a free email course called Significant Things to Know About Yoik.